Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today I'm going to talk about my journey, my plan and my purpose. Why I'm making this video and what is my journey? What is my purpose and plan? I will talk about everything, but first I want to clear what is it about, and then I will talk about the importance of it. First of all, I want to practice English every day. Because if you know English, if you understand and if you can speak better English, nothing can stop you. So many doors will open for you if you can speak English, and if you are fluent in English. We all know somehow a little bit of English. We can communicate with another person, but we are not fluent in it. If we want to talk with a foreigner, with English speaker, we will get stuck. We will not find the particular word what we're supposed to say, and we will get stuck, and also we will get stuck in the presentation. So I want to improve that fluency. I want to achieve that fluency. Now I think I'm in intermediate level. There are 5 steps of it. First, beginner. Second, intermediate. Third, advanced. Fourth, expert. And 5th, maybe master. I want to achieve that expert or master level of English fluency. That is why I am going to start this journey. Why I'm making the video? The question may arise. The reason is, if I make video about English, if I practice and make video and publish on YouTube, then I will have the purpose of practicing English every day. If I don't post it on YouTube, if I don't make a video practicing English, then I may feel demotivated. So in order to have the consistency, I need to post it on YouTube. So that is why my mind will get reminded that you have to do the practice and post it on YouTube. So that is why I am doing this. So now let's talk about the importance of English. So many people will say that you don't need to learn English, your mother tongue, you should be proud of your mother tongue. Yeah, of course we should be proud of our mother tongue, but that doesn't mean we would not learn any new language. English language is must. You must be fluent in English, because so many doors will open for you if you have the fluency. If you are confident in English. Look, I am not confident enough. Okay, I want to be confident in speaking English. If you are fluent in English, then you will feel confident in anywhere you go. For example, you go on a marriage ceremony, or you go on an event, or any other particular situation you may face. That doesn't mean we leave everything and stay with our mother tongue. Of course, we should be proud of our mother tongue, but people who say that you should be proud of your mother tongue, they just want to be different. They just want to say something different, because everyone is talking about the importance of English. You have to good at it. Everyone talk about the same things. So in order to become different from other persons, from other people, they say that English is a language. You treat that as a language, but here in Bangladesh or in this subcontinent, we can treat this language as a just language, because it open so many things for you, so many doors for you if you have a good command over English. For example, you will get a good job in an interview. If you are a good speaker, then so many jobs offer you will get. So that is why I think English is much more important in Bangladesh. And in Bangladesh, if you speak good English, people will judge you differently. And not only that, if you can speak English very well, then you will feel confident all the time. Wherever you go, who you talk to, always you feel confident, and your mind will know that you have the ability to speak. And on the other hand, I think the people who are studying in English medium school or college, I think they are privileged. They are learning that language from a very early age. If you start learning something from a very early age, you don't have to struggle to learn the language. So that is why I think they are a little bit of privilege than people who are from Bangla medium school or college. And your place on the society will be on another level. And on the other hand, you don't have to worry about a job or you don't have to worry about your career. Job will find you, so many offers will come to you, and you don't have to worry about your future life just to have that this particular skill. You may know some other skill. For example, you may know a video editing skill and Photoshop and freelancing related skill. You may know so many skills, but this one particular skill will take you to another level. That is why I am starting this journey. I will do it every day. I can do it every day, but I have so many other things to do. I will try to do it every day, and not every day, I will try to do it consistently. Whenever I have time, I will practice English and make the video and post it on YouTube. I have thought that I will pick a subject or topic from newspaper, the Daily Star. I will read Daily Star every morning, and then I will pick one or two or three, maximum three story or article, and I will talk about that story and article in the video, and my practice will be done, and my video will be done too. And I think if you want to achieve something, if you want to reach to your goal, the first and most important thing is you need to be consistent. You need to do that every day. You need to practice that to earn that skill. You need to do it every day, or at least 3 times in a week. If you can do it 3 times in a week or every day, you must reach to your goal. I'm going to do it for about 1 year if I leave. I'm starting this today is 25th of November, and I will evaluate myself in the next year, 25th of November 2024. Today is 25th of November 2023. 2024, in November, I will evaluate myself that how much I learned, how much I improved, how much I developed my speaking ability. So next year, after 1 year, I will evaluate, and I can see that how much improvement I made over the year. That is why I will be consistent. I will make video. So today I made so many mistakes. I got stuck in the middle of the speech. I fumbled a lot. So that is why, in order to fix this problem, I am starting this journey, this speaking practice journey. It doesn't mean that I will stop after 1 year. A skill is not just you learn over a period of time. You have to learn it consistently. There is no ending of learning. There is, of course, a level you can reach. For example, you can reach to expert level or advanced. I want to reach those level. Okay, now so many of you may think that you are fluent, you can speak very well. I will say that this is not the fluency I want. Fluency is something you don't have to think, you don't have to put effort when you speak, you don't have to think about the next word, next sentence, what you are going to say. You just do it flawlessly. You just speak, and you don't have to worry about grammatical mistake or any other mistake. When you reach that level, then you can say that you are fluent and you are confident to speak English publicly. I want to have that fluency, and I want to talk in public without thinking, without fearing of my mistakes, without fearing of getting stuck in the middle of the speech. So I want to achieve that. Often I will share my childhood memories. Today I have remembered my particular one childhood memory. I want to share that memory with you, and it will be a practice for me, sharing a story, sharing a childhood story or any other story. So the memory is the story I want to share. So I was about 7 years old, and there was a neighbor. So their behavior was not good with my parents. That is why, out of anger, I was little, of course, and out of anger, I did a little wrong thing with them. One day I took a stone. It was a little stone. I threw that stone in their window, and the window scattered. The window broke, and there was a huge loud noise when a window breaks. There is a loud noise. So I got feared because I broke the window of their house. So I got hit myself. I was hiding behind a water tank, and they came out and shouting, who threw a stone on our window. And I was hiding in that place behind the water tank for a very long time, and they were saying with a sweet voice that please come out, we won't say anything to you, we will give you chocolate, we will give you fruits, because they have a fruits tree in their house. They offered me fruits, and they just wanted to persuade me so that I come out from hiding and show up, and they will not do good thing with me, because I know how they are. So that is why I was hiding myself for about 1 hour. 1 hour is a very long time, staying in the same position. So it was a very long time for me. 1 hour is very long time. I was hiding very long time because I didn't want to get caught. That is why I was hiding myself behind the water tank. It was maybe afternoon, and when it was getting dark, I came out. I came from the hiding, and I went my home, and they couldn't caught me. And I did it because I shouldn't have done that, but I did it because they were not good with my parents. I saw, and I felt anger. To release my anger, I did that. It was not a good thing, but I was child. It is, I think, forgivable. There was a problem about land. We were building our house, and they were thinking that we are taking their land a little bit. That's why there was a clash between us and them. We already built our house in our land area. After building our house, they built a wall so that they can keep their land safe. And by making the wall, they made a terrible thing for us. We couldn't open the window. At that time, there was a wooden window. We couldn't open the window for the wall. So it was a huge, terrible thing for them, because it was drastic measure for them. And we were unable to open the window and have air, fresh air. So that is why we had to change the window. So yeah, that is the story for today. I will try to come tomorrow and make a video. And yeah, that is the story of my childhood. And there are so many stories I will share often. I will share good stories too. I did a good thing too. Every kids did bad thing and good thing in their early childhood. I did that too. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow.